It's no secret that Muth Electrical Management Inc. is a great company and a great place to work. With recent write-ups in Financial Post Business and Edmonton Commerce News, more and more people across the province and the country are hearing the news that Muth Electrical is a company marked by excellence and great people. Muth Electrical now has head offices on the south side of Edmonton, but their first office? It was a fold-out table from Office Depot in the Muth basement. They hired their first employee, Craig Comont, followed soon after by Russ and Darren Gabert.
I remember us setting up those 6-foot folding tables, and there was 2 of them, one for Craig and one for Don.
When we very first started, we had one of our first projects, and we were having a fellow doing some work for us in Nisku, and he called me and he said, "Don, I need a ladder, I need an extension ladder." And I looked at myself and I said, "You know what, we don't have an extension ladder." So I ran to one of the local hardware stores and picked up an extension ladder, threw it into the back of an open box half-ton. And as I was going through this thunderstorm, I looked at this ladder in my rearview mirror in the back of the box, and it was starting to shake. And I just realized in a split second that all of a sudden this ladder was catapulting out of the box onto the highway behind me. Those are the kind of experiences that we had when we were starting our business.
A quick look at the awards and recognition Muth Electrical has received in the public arena will confirm that Muth Electrical is marked by excellence.
A lot of subcontractors will promise but not perform. And here we're known as, we have a workforce that is efficient, high in quality, and is able to meet schedules that are set forth.
2004 saw Don Muth both honored and humbled to receive the Small Business Owner of the Year award for a company with between 11 and 50 employees. It was especially sweet that Muth's banker, ATB's Wayne Krizalka, nominated the company. Don reflects, "They've really applauded our growth. It presents a huge aspect of accountability and raises the bar in our industry." Financial Post Business included an article profiling Muth Electrical. They reported that Muth Electrical has grown to become one of the few local electrical contractors capable of tackling the 200-suite behemoths springing up on Edmonton's skyline. They also recognized that Muth's strength is in its people, noting that to retain workers, Muth has turned construction's traditional macho culture on its head. For families, there are barbecues, special events, and a Christmas dinner for all. People certainly are the driving force at Muth Electrical, but we'll look at that in a moment. We should first take a look at what has brought Muth Electrical all of this attention over the years. Of course, the work is excellent, but it goes beyond that. Muth has been heavily involved in their community since day one. Muth Electrical and its employees have provided volunteer labor for Habitat for Humanity. It's a literal approach to community building. Don sits on a special community-oriented board of directors, and he's also involved with Merit Contractors Association. He's engaged in lobbying government for labor reform, and is passionate about bringing new workers into the trades. Muth supports a coordinated approach with Alberta's Registered Apprenticeship Program, helping students learn a trade alongside their high school diploma. Don and Doreen support employee involvement in activities related to our trade, such as Russell Gabert's participation with the Provincial Apprenticeship Board and Canada Career Week. Don believes that those who work with their hands, whether they make a career of the trades or use them as a stepping stone, always benefit by learning valuable skills that last a lifetime.
We've tried very hard to make sure that in everything that we do, that our employees are recognized, appreciated. And you know, technically, I'm actually an employee of Muth Electrical. And you know what? I love my job. Our limits are basically this: as long as our people are okay and the margins are there, we're going to continue. We've got a great future at Muth Electrical.